I am furious at this entire situation.
The emotion and anger and frustration was entirely understandable, actually. You know, the US administration hadn't created this mess, we had.
Three factors had combined to place BP at the center of a perfect media storm. The environmental disaster, political uproar, and now a growing financial crisis. Traveling with Hayward was Bob Dudley, then head of BP's North American operations.
There were some extraordinary days during the month of June. Confidence in BP was dropping very rapidly. The share price was dropping rapidly.
BP shares plunged 11% in early London trading to their lowest. Just 2 months before, BP had been riding high. But since the Deepwater Horizon accident, its stock had fallen by 50%. Throughout that Monday, BP was losing value at the rate of over £12 million a minute.
How much trouble is this company in?
Word was beginning to circulate externally about the potential going under of BP. Could it survive this accident?
I could feel what BP was feeling and what the industry was worried about, because you don't know where the bottom is, and you don't know what the knock-on implications are.
BP found itself in arguably a unique situation that no one was expecting. You know, BP prior to this was a company you generally didn't have to worry about. But all of a sudden, BP's long-term viability was called into question and the normal rules fell apart.
The following evening, Barack Obama underlined the gravity of the crisis by addressing the nation for the first time from the Oval Office. He was ratcheting up the pressure on the company before the next day's showdown.
We will make BP pay for the damage their company has caused.
The public was angry. The trust that is implicit between a major oil company drilling off the coast of the United States and the citizens of the United States was breached. The United States government needed to be in charge.
I was surprised initially at what Obama was saying and the criticism levied out to BP. But on reflection, I said, well, Obama had his own agenda. And I think it just brought home again this point that oil is not just about oil. It's about politics.
It was all so different just 10 weeks before. Then, it was the best of times. The oil industry was in favor, even with the White House.
So today we're announcing the expansion